Imagine this. You're over 50, and you notice more hair than usual clogging your bathroom drain. It's a jarring sight, and it's not just you. Many people in their 50s are experiencing this alarming trend. While hormonal changes have long been the go-to explanation for thinning hair after midlife, recent research reveals that there's more to the story. Let's dive into the real reasons behind your thinning locks and explore what you can do about them. The autoimmune connection no one's talking about. Scarring conditions like frontal fibrosing alopecia and lichen planopilaris are becoming increasingly common after 50, yet they are rarely discussed. Dr. Bruce Katz, a renowned dermatologist, explains frontal fibrosing alopecia is a scarring condition that causes hair loss, independent of hormonal changes, and primarily affects women over 50. Unlike hormone-related thinning, these autoimmune conditions create inflammation that permanently destroys hair follicles. The receding hairline pattern can be mistaken for age-related changes, but it requires completely different treatment approaches. But here's where it gets controversial. Many doctors still focus on hormonal treatments, potentially missing out on the autoimmune angle. What do you think? Hidden nutritional deficiencies stealing your hair thickness, summer heat can exacerbate dehydration and nutrient loss through sweat, making this season particularly challenging for hair health. Dr. Amy Myers, a functional medicine expert, notes nutritional deficiencies in iron and vitamin D frequently contribute to hair thinning in older adults and are often overlooked in diagnosis. These vital nutrients become harder to absorb as we age, creating a perfect storm for follicle malnourishment. Many who've struggled with thinning hair have found success with nutrient-rich hair masks like avocado treatments. These treatments nourish directly through the scalp, providing a direct boost to your hair's health. And this is the part most people miss. Simple dietary changes and topical treatments can make a world of difference. Your styling habits may be silently destroying hair follicles. Years of heat styling, chemical treatments, and tight hairstyles create accumulated damage that becomes dramatically apparent after 50. Dr. Nicole Rogers, a dermatologist, confirms. Long-term hair damage from styling and treatments accumulates with age, making mechanical factors crucial in hair thinning after 50. The trend of hairstylists abandoning hot tools in 2025 isn't just fashion, it's science-backed hair preservation. Think about it. If you've been using hot tools for years, it's time to reconsider your styling routine. What changes have you made to your hair care routine recently? Medication side effects masquerading as aging. Many common prescriptions prescribed after 50 list hair loss as a side effect, including blood pressure medications, cholesterol-lowering drugs, anti-inflammatory medications, and some antidepressants. Dr. Susan Evans, a clinical pharmacologist, says, medications for chronic illnesses can induce hair shedding unrelated to menopausal hormonal shifts. Review your medicine cabinet with your doctor if thinning accelerates suddenly. This is a crucial step that many overlook, but it could be the key to understanding your hair loss. Stress and physical shock, the invisible hair thieves. Late summer often brings schedule changes and back-to-school stressors, even for empty nesters. Dr. Emma Roberts, a trichologist, explains, stress-triggered telogen effluvium is a reversible cause of hair loss in mid-adulthood. Your body responds to stress like a garden in drought, redirecting resources from non-essential functions like hair growth to vital organs. Reducing stress can literally save your strands. But here's a thought. How do you manage stress, and has it affected your hair health? Smart styling solutions gaining popularity this August. Strategic cuts can create the illusion of fullness without waiting for regrowth. The vintage razor crop technique adds significant volume to fine hair, while feathered bobs with top layers create movement and fullness. Dr. Rachel Nazarian, a dermatologist, warns, early diagnosis of scarring alopecia is critical. Once scarring happens, hair follicles cannot recover even with hormonal treatment. This makes timely intervention crucial. Have you considered a new hairstyle to boost your hair's appearance? Beyond hair, the skin-hair connection. Your scalp is skin, and treating it accordingly can revitalize follicles. Many who've mastered restoring natural glow to mature skin apply similar principles to their scalp with remarkable results. Think of your hair follicles as delicate plants in a garden. They require the right soil, scalp health, nutrients, protection from harsh elements, and freedom from pests, inflammation, to flourish, regardless of age. This holistic approach to hair care is gaining traction. But do you think it's worth the effort? Can you truly reverse thinning hair after 50? With proper diagnosis and targeted treatment, many causes of hair thinning after 50 can be improved significantly. Dr. Anjali Mato says, micronutrient supplementation improves follicle health independent of hormones. By addressing the real causes, not just hormones, you can write a new chapter in your hair story this fall. But here's a question for you. Do you believe in the power of targeted treatments? Or do you think it's all about genetics? Let's discuss in the comments.